what is responsive design and why is it important? Responsive design is an approach that ensures that a website, or should I say an application, adopts and provides an optimal viewing experience across various devices and screen sizes. Responsive design involves fluid layouts, flexible images, and adaptive navigation. Responsive design is actually very important because it allows users to access and interact with products seamlessly, regardless of the device that they use. Furthermore, it enhances user experience, improves accessibility, and addresses the increasing prevalence of mobile and multi-device usage. And that's beautiful, guys.